Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's future updates. So, yeah, we do have a couple of new cars, or we have some cars that haven't came out yet. So first we have this Porsche here, pretty cool car, hasn't came in game yet. I think it's still in development. And then we got this Ferrari right here. This actually looks very clean. Looks really nice, and this I think is still also in development. Boats, and here's the Porsche again. It actually looks super sick, pretty cool. Looks really nice actually. And then we have this car here, pretty cool. It actually looks super nice. Pretty nice. Actually looks super sick. But yeah, pretty cool. And then we have the 6x6 right here. We have this pretty cool BMW M4, the new BMW M4. Pretty excited for the new BMW M4 here to come in game. This car is actually very nice, and honestly I really hope this car comes in game soon. It is in development. I think it's gonna come out next update or something. We don't know though for sure. But I also do hope the BMW M3 comes in game, the new BMW M3. That also looks pretty cool. And then we have, I also really want the Tesla Model S Plaid to come in game. The Tesla Model S Plaid is super quick, and I just really hope that the Model S Plaid sometime comes in game. But here's the 6x6 once again, and this car looks sick. Check this out. This looks amazing. 6x6 right here. Very excited for that car. And then we got, not sure what this car is. I don't really remember. Remember the name of this car, but I'm pretty excited for the 6x6, the boats, and the BMW M4. And I'm also pretty excited for these cars up here, this and this. Pretty cool though. Pretty short video, I hope, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.